Okay guys, I'm working on trying to do a sawdust stove, and what I want to do is I got this, this one is the old rice cooker. I got it and I want to cement it, so I'm trying to use this one more. So I will cut this one to length and I'll put it inside, and then I'll cement the outside. So this will become the mold, and I will put this one here. So I will cement in between this one and this mold here. When it's dry, I will take the cement out, and I should have the cemented sawdust stove. So that's what I'm going to do. So now I've prepared this one already. I took the actual pot that was sitting inside there with the filament. I took it out. Now I'm going to cut this one so that this one fits together with the height of this one, and that will be the height of the stove, sawdust stove. Okay, so you see I cut it, I marked here. I'm going to cut this one, and I will use this one here and put it inside. I'll try. This length, where's the tape measure? You can make any length depending on your purpose. For me, it's just for cooking, simple things like rice, veggies, and so I don't need so much sawdust because I might waste. So that's why the length here is not that long. But if you are going to use it to cook big stuff, or you're going to do barbecue, I think you need longer one so that you pack so much sawdust inside, and that will take some time to burn. And the longer it is, the better it is for your purpose and for barbecue. So this one now is about 16 centimeter. I'll cement the stove. So now I'm going to cut. This one is okay. I'm just going to cut this one. Use that one. I'm going to use my grinder, cutter, and where's the switch, guys? Yeah. Wow, it's right up there. You must know your tools, okay? Use the grinder and the cutter. So to use it as a grinder, you change this blade here and put the thicker one, the grinding disc. Put it here. If you want to do the cutting, you put this is thin one, and that's for cutting. It's going to spill out, and importantly, you must also have your eye protector. So this one is clear one. Okay. But also one thing I didn't mention, you have to also wear gloves if you are dealing with metal. It's too big. And you have to be careful with this one. It can spring. This is a galvanized iron. I think so. This how I'm going to place it. See? So this will now sit inside, and the outside here is where I'm going to cement. Okay, so you see that this is the stove. Inside here, this is where I'm going to put the sawdust and make fire inside. You know, you won't understand it because you got no idea. I'm talking to you. Okay, I think this is enough. Okay, so now put this one inside. Okay, so this is the Sawdust stove. Okay, so this is where I'm going to put the sawdust inside and I pack it. Okay, so when I'm ready, I'm going to do trial on this one. If it's okay, then I will make permanent one. So in order to do the sawdust stove, I need to make a hole here, and this is the hole that you can push in whatever, and then there will be another piece of tin here, so you will have hole. There will be a hole inside here that will go and meet this hole here, and then from the top to the bottom there will be a hole, and from the side and inside there will be a hole, and those two holes will meet, and that's where you will now bend. Normally this is where you will bend, and the flame inside, the heat inside will go through the hole that comes out here. So now I'm trying to create that hole here on the side, so I will have to cut this one, and then I'm done. Then I can now do a test. Okay, so I'm going to cut now. Okay, so after the cutting, we need to now get the one together, and so we decide to rivet it. All right, now it's done. All right. So now we have the soda stove. This is the soda stove now. We're going to put it like this. We're going to pack the soda. We're going to try it now. So we're going to pack the soda inside here. We will need a piece of stick here, and one we put it here. Yeah, okay, that one. Okay, now turn it around. Yeah. Okay, push that one inside. Yeah, something like that.